Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are working with AY vowel teams. AY says A. We are going to color the AY words. So before we start coloring, we are going to underline the vowel team in each word that we see. Our first word is day, D-A. So please underline the vowel team. And then we're going to point to the vowel that's doing the talking while the second one goes to sleep. Our next word, may, M-A, may. Underline the vowel team. And please point to the vowel that's doing the talking. Our next word is sand. S-A-N-D, sand. There is no vowel team there, so we don't need to underline anything. Our next word is hay. H-A. Underline the vowel team. Please point to the vowel that is doing the talking while the second one goes to sleep. Our next word is play. P-O-A. Ooh, I see a vowel team. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. It makes a sound just like its name. The second one goes to sleep. Good night. Then we have snap. S-N-A-P. Snap. No vowel team there. Way. W-A. Vowel team at the end. The first vowel does the talking. Our next word is tray. T-R-A. Tray. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. It makes a sound just like its name. The second one goes to sleep. Good night. Next line down, we have vast. V-A-S-T. Vast. No vowel team there. Our next word is stay. S-T-A. Underline the vowel team. Then we have gray. G-R-A. Gray. Our last word is trap. T-R-A-P. Trap. So now you're going to go through and you're going to color any words that have the AY vowel team. D-A, M-A, H-A, P-O-A, play, W-A, way, T-R-A, tray, S-T-A, stay, G-R-A, gray. Way to go. Then down here, I'm going to change colors just for fun. We're going to do spin, read, and write. Our first word is a, hay, d-a, day, p-o-a, play, t-r-a, tray, g-r-a, gray, s-t-a, stay, w-a, way, and m-a, may. Have you noticed, boys and girls, that every vowel team, AY, is at the end of the word? So when you hear A at the end of the word, most of the time it's going to be AY. Then we have our word bank at the bottom. I'm going to change colors again just for fun. The first word is may, may. G-r-a, gray. St-a, stay. W-a, way. P-o-a, play. Way to go. Turn your paper over when you're done. Please put your name at the top of your paper. And boys and girls, we are working with O-I vowel teams. O-I. O-I says oi. Our word bank. B-oil, boil. K-oin, coin. J-oin, join. N-oise, noise. P-oint, point. P-oison, poison. Sp-oil, spoil. V-oid, void. So we need to put our words in our word bank into our word shape boxes. I'm going to start with boil. I can see that there's 4 letters in the word boil, so I need a word shape that has 4 letters. And I know that B is a tall letter and L is a tall letter. So I see a tall letter here, B, oi, ol, boil. And remember, I like to cross off words when I'm done to help myself stay organized. Then I have coin, K-oi-n, coin, 4 letters. And I know that C, O, I, and N are all short letters. No tall letters and no basement letters. So I know that coin is going to go at the top. K, oi, n, coin. And cross it off. So you're going to go ahead and finish this on your own. Watch for those tall letters and those basement letters. When you're done, please turn this into the top basket and move on to Lexia. Way to go.